guys think? Black Rams? The black Ram setting it off? What do y'all think? Plastic dip. You see I'm still painting. About to put the last coat of black on that one. Then these two will be pretty much done. Then I'm gonna come back out here and take my center cap pieces off. I think they're coming out pretty good. Don't worry about the GT badge. Exactly. Hold on, everybody. Welcome back to Red Line Doing Things. Just out here thinking about doing a different look to my car. So I decided to go to Walmart. Give me some plastic dip. Some black plastic dip. So my rims are not chrome. I would say they're like alloy or aluminum or something. They're clean. There's nothing wrong with them. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with them. So I just decided, hey, I'm not doing nothing off work. Let's do something. So what I did was went to Walmart, bought me 2 cans of black paint. Decided to paint something. And that something was my rims. So as you can see, still out here doing rims. It's kind of cold out here. Got bags for my rotors. But I think that is turning out pretty well. Just because, you know, just an appearance look. It's not going to give me no horsepower or nothing, but just to do something. But this thing is still here, sitting. More things on the way. So I think y'all should. So this is the finished product. A couple days later, wanted my car to like dry. I actually cleaned my car as well, so looks good. It's been a cloudy day, so really haven't been doing too much with the car because it's been raining on and off, but it's clean. The rims are dipped. They're all black. They're dipped. To me, I think she looks a whole lot better black than she did when she was chrome. One day I might just still go back to the chrome, but for the moment, I think they're going to stay the way they are, and that is black. Be on the lookout, ladies and gents. Underneath the hood stuff is coming next. If you guys haven't liked and subscribed, feel free to do so. It's content on the car. It is a Mustang GT 2005. She's gonna be lowered. As you can see, that wheel gap gotta go. But I'm gonna try to set you guys up right here for a cold start. See if I can get it. That might work right there. Nice cold start. She ain't been started in 2 days.